As seasons turn, the drying pools can spell disaster for some, and opportunities for others. Just like taking candy from a baby. But there's a catch. A juvenile African fish eagle is learning an easy way to bag a meal. The stork shakes off his defeat and tries again. A potential partner's beady eye is on him. He can't afford to lose face. He usually nips off their spines before swallowing. As one of Africa's most voracious predators of its size, the Nile monitor seldom shies away from a challenge. The stork watches helplessly as another catch slips through his beak.